Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to dive into the very exciting journey uploading a very first YouTube video. So it's a little bit nerve-wracking, so you might be thinking, oh, it's very hard to upload the first video, or what am I going to do, how am I supposed to upload it, or what process is there, anything that I need to follow. Oh look, I'm going to share you my 6 steps that I follow, and this is my personal, and by the way, by no means I'm a big YouTube channel. As you can see, I got a very low subscriber count, but I'm not looking at the subscriber count at the moment. What I'm doing is I'm following my steps, and eventually I'll hit the goal. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. By the way, if you wanna support this channel to hit the 1,000 subscribers, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs or comment down, or give me some feedback. But for meanwhile, let's get started. Number 1, be true yourself. It's easy to get caught up in wanting a perfect YouTube setup. Nobody's perfect, by the way. I uploaded my very first YouTube video. You can go check my channel out and go to playlist, scroll down my very first video, and you'll see I was holding my phone with my left hand, and then I was showing people how to install an app in a little box. The box was my very first YouTube setup. So that's how I started, and I believe everyone out there started somewhere else like that. Nobody got a perfect, you're not gonna have a best microphone, you're not gonna have a best camera, you're not gonna have your best lighting setups, you're not gonna have effects or the tweaks that people use, random effects and video editing and everything. So don't get caught up with that one. Okay, you must have a mobile phone by now. By the way, how many of you guys are using Android or iOS? You can comment down below as well. So, and then if you haven't checked my channel out regarding about installing apps, you can go check my channel in that context too. And number 2, content creation. So choose your topic that you're truly passionate about. Okay, so whether it's sharing your thoughts, teaching something or giving a virtual tour. First important thing is do not provide a misinformation or probably half information. So just share what you know. The step 3 is capture the moment. Hit the record button, capture the moment. I want you to go, click it, press record, and then you can just talk. Every YouTuber started from scratch. So our very first YouTube video might be one of the crappy one, but they looked at it, improve on it, and then move on. So do that, following. It's like a snowball effect. What if you improve one, or improve in another one, improve in another one? That's what I try my best, by the way. Okay, so again, it might not be perfect, but you know what? Just record, upload, and upload your videos. So do not get someone else's contents. Do not copy someone else's idea. Yes, there might be, if you have your own perspective of, for example, I'm doing this video at the moment for you guys because I know how hard it is to upload the very first video. It's kind of embarrassing. That's what you feel like at the moment until you actually upload it. You don't have to show your face. You just record the thing that you like, a voiceover in the background, and then upload the video and lay it in the track. If you want to show your face, or you want to be in one of the shots, then you can upload that as well. There's no harm on doing that too. Okay, so uploading a thumbnail, perfect title, perfect tags, don't worry about those. Just worry about hit the record, upload, done. Step 5 is to connect with your viewers. So every time somebody comments on that, do not get stressed out, or don't leave the comments behind. Just go in it, respond to the comments. So that's the very best thing you can do. And if somebody provides you feedback, then you always work on the feedback, and I'll move on to the next video. By the way, if you have any feedback regarding about my videos or my channel, you can comment down below and I'll work on it. So again, you appeal with your audience like this as well. And then step 6 is continuous improvement. Use these total 6 steps and you're gonna love this. By the way, guys, if you like this type of video, guys, sub to the channel would be awesome. Again, share it with your friends and family members. And then I want you to keep grinding, keep trying, and best of luck for your YouTube journey. This is Genesis6 signing out. Peace.